What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, still, just ranging, aren't we? Going sideways, really. The market's not really done anything over the past week or so. You can see we've done this many times over the past few months, where essentially, we came up, we made this all-time high, didn't we, at around 69k there. We obviously come down, we have that big correction, we come down, form a little bit of a range here, high, low, come back to the high, start to form this resistance here, which we've been stuck under for quite a while. You can see very clearly here that we've actually, we're going sideways here, and the support is essentially at that 0.78 level, isn't it, on that Fibonacci that we pulled all the way back here from this high to this low, all the way back in May to July. You can see we come down to support, we form a range, we obviously fell and lost that bull market support, which is one of the reasons why so many people essentially got liquidated on this massive drop here. We saw a huge cascade of liquidations all the way down to the 0.50. We wick all the way back up into another range here with the 618. You can see support, resistance, support, resistance. We come back up here and we actually get a little bit of a breakout of that resistance, didn't we? You can see here that resistance that we've been forming, looking something like this. We come up to the top of the range at that 52k level. And then we did get rejected, didn't we? We rolled all the way back inside the resistance, inside the range. And we come back down, we retest the bottom. At this point, you're thinking, we're forming some kind of descending triangle, basically, aren't we? Where, resistance is coming down, got the same support, and then we finally lose that support again. We come down, make the next range, where we come down, we sweep the low, we front run the 0.38 Fibonacci level as our support here. We come back up, we retest resistance again. We form, we get stuck under our 0.50 level, aren't we, in this area? And we roll once again with, that massive bearish overall economic uncertainty that we have been seeing. And you can see now we find ourselves in another range looking something like this. Let me just drag this out a little bit so you can see it. We come down and we sweep the lows at the 0.23 here on this next Fibonacci level, don't we? We get that overextension to the downside. You can see the massive bullish divergences that we are seeing here. We're horribly oversold at the minute. As oversold as we were in the COVID crash in 2020. Absolutely crazy oversold. You can see we've been stuck under a resistance here as well. Resistance. And we have to come back up and test this resistance on the RSI as well. Because overall, we've just been in a massive downtrend for a long time. Things have been looking incredibly bearish. We're heading down inside of a channel like this. Resistance, support, resistance, support, and we've got to come back up at least, as we've said before numerous times, and retest this resistance, which is currently at around that 40k mark, coming down towards that 0.38 level at 39k. As we do continue to see it, falling down and down, but you can see kind of what's happened here on the hourly time frame for Bitcoin. If we just take a quick look at this, we've basically got something that's, we come down here, we lose our Fibonacci level at the 0.38. We come down, we sweep the 0.23 as support. You can see support, resistance. We get the overextension to the downside, maximum fear. We retest the bottom of our descending channel that we are in. We get the huge bullish divergences here, massive bullish divergences. So we come up, we break the range, retest it as support. We come to the top of the wider range, resistance. So we roll over, support. And, looking like basically we are just chopping sideways, aren't we? So before we do short-term price predictions, we just would like to direct everyone's attention to the free Discord in the description. We've had so many people sign up recently. I think we've got almost 1,000 members, which is absolutely amazing. So please go down there and sign up to it. Totally free to do so. As we said, free Discord, takes like 10 seconds to sign up. In the description, you'll get access to all of our, basically all of our content in one place, daily updates, daily crypto news. We've got daily technical analysis, we've got, memes, we've got passive income and NFT channels. We've learned so much from the community over the past few days. It's been absolutely amazing. So please go check it out. Links are in the description. And if you do want an extra edge on the market, you can check out our Patreon. I think it's $9.99 a month and you'll get access to all the extra content. You'll get access to some insights into our own personal moves. We've got daily signals for Bitcoin. We've also got alpha on super risky potential, risk reward projects. Overall, a really bullish place to be. So if you're interested, head into there and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, short-term price predictions then, obviously, if we're rolling over here, we're probably seeing a bit of support in and around the 36k area here again, which is where we've been bouncing over the past few days. And then, if we get an extended rollover, you'd expect the 023 down at around that 34.7k level to be holding as support as well. Heading to the upside, you do want to see yourselves retesting at least this 39k 038 Fibonacci level, upwards of that 40k level, doing something like this, getting the back testing continuation. So, Bitcoin's been slaughtered recently, hasn't it? Let's make no mistake about it. But in terms of macros, we're still making higher highs and higher lows. And if, for example, we're making a bit of a channel looking something like this, where essentially this is your resistance, and then you come down like this, that's your support. Then if we have one more overextension to the downside, then realistically, as we can see here, we're probably looking at coming down towards 32k maybe. But one last push to the downside like this, we'll probably get the bounce and start to reverse in this area. If we are heading up in this kind of macro, ranging, slightly ascending kind of channel area, heading back up towards, those all-time highs in the next 4, 5, 6 months. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon. So come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies, and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in